1, 2, 3. Okay, now final installment of this long running build. It's working. Yesterday I recorded some sound comparisons, and then I noticed that it didn't actually record the output of the modular. So let's do this again. I ran these into each other. Both are dry. There's just some plucky flat sound. Some harmonics here. See, this is the. Let's go to the first algorithm. First, the original one. We set these settings the same. The new one. It's the flanger thing. These are the same algorithms on both, which is a bit boring. Let's try some delay into a reverb of both. Dirty this up just to delay into a delay. Smear this both fully wet. Well, at least the good news is it seems to be working. It's a lot nicer with the new one having the LEDs that indicate the CV. Well, if you add an external CV, it will sum with the pods, but you will be able to track the modulation. Let me see if I can get a quick in a different shape. Let's see if I can visualize that. Number 6 from PAMS, CV1. See it, I don't know how clear that is on the screen, but it lights up with the CV. See if I change that to a sign. I think it also should work with an offset. We'll figure that out. Well, it's been a very, very long build, but yeah, the next one should be uh, a lot a lot faster. So yeah, I guess thanks again, Noisy Fruits Lab, for letting me build this. I'll go on and build the next one, and I'll try to make a video with all of three of them at the same time. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll probably see you next time. Thanks.